Do you think he handled it well? Another thing is I feel like they really ambushed him ngale video clip abayidlalile laphaya. But also the content that was in that video clip. Bekhona iphambano uDonald Trump athi kubulawe abantu abamhlophe bangcwatshwa lapha over 1,000 crosses, and we don't know where those crosses are in South Africa. Are they in Free State? Are they in Limpopo? Are they in Polokwane? Thina ehlala South Africa sikaze sizibone lezo iphambano, but someone in America has visual evidence ukuthi lezo iphambano are in South Africa. Even Cyril Ramaphosa was like, I don't know where this is from. And after iphambano, Donald Trump what? Amaphepha, more than, and he was like, all these white people were killed within the past few weeks in South Africa. Uphethe amaphepha anobuso abantu abalimele, and they were killed, allegedly they were killed in the past few weeks in South Africa. Guys, have you ever heard of abelungu ababulawiwe in South Africa in the past few weeks? Abangaka. South Africa is a crime infested country. uJonathan uyabanjwa inkunzi, uBongane noBafana bayabanjwa inkunzi, uKaitlin uyabanjwa inkunzi, uMathilisi waseSoweto uyahijackwa naye uyabanjwa inkunzi. Crime is across the board, and I also feel like our delegation bikhaphe umongameli wethu bekuba khona ukudonsisana phakathi kwabo, kube ngathi manje kunokukhomba khombana. Omunye athi we are forced to live around barbed wires, we are not safe. Guys, even nathi ekasi sakhi top nonsense ezingaka, no one is safe in South Africa. I don't know what you guys think. Do you think Cyril Ramaphosa handled it very well as he promised us?